Second part of this short SureCount demonstration is to show some application in an outside plant environment. Many times when we're working on interior projects, we will have the ability to receive drawings is likely. Well, whether we're going to take a pre-engineered set of plans like the first part of the demonstration, or doing some design. I want to be able to show you doing some design and also that outside plant application in this video here. Now, one of the things that is struggle is that doing some outside plant, again, drawings can be scarce. A lot of times in the past, we've had to hop in the car, drive to the job site, and have scales or wheels or traditional pacing our steps at 3 feet or 1 yard intervals. Now, taking time, not being very accurate, and then having to produce hard copy drawings from that standpoint. With the use of Google Earth nowadays, very, very practical, being able to zoom down on a rooftop or in a campus environment between different buildings or different applications can be very, very handy, but practical in conjunction with SureCount. As an example, I have a drawing that I saved as a JPEG from Google Earth. It's a parking lot of an existing retail mall, and a customer had come to me and asked me to give them my recommendation on adding duress stations and or security cameras in the parking lot. I was able to load the drawing in here, and I can take it and just visually see the existing parking lot lighting standards in here, and I'm going to take advantage of that in this demonstration. We have a series of symbols that can be added and stored in the system for now doing design or some plotting. In this case, I've added a duress station and a surveillance camera to my legend here, and I'm basically going to use my mouse now as I select on the duress station and plot adjacent to the 5 existing standards here of my choice these duress stations. So now they're plotted on the drawing. I also need to calibrate this drawing. Google Earth, if you set up a scale prior to this, so you've got a line on here, or zooming in on this drawing, I had zoomed in and measured the distance between the parking lot space in order to get a sense of the scale, and not dead accurate, but going to give me a very good sense of doing what I'm trying to do at this point and getting some measurements on my runs on the duct bank, asphalt repair, trenching and backfill, cable, conduit, and all that kind of stuff. Now, in the toolbar on the top, I've actually gone and used this option to create a feeder measurement, and just to save some time, I've already created it. It's a 2-inch PVC with trenching, and I'm going to keep track for my power and the communication cable that I'm going to install inside that 2-inch PVC. I'm going to draw a line so I can choose a color and a line weight, and then simply save it over here on the right-hand side. And then zooming out of this drawing, I may want to come out of the side of the building at this any strategic point, but the point is here. I can just click with my mouse and follow a pathway for my trenching just by clicking between points and right-clicking here, and I'm going to break my measurement temporarily in order to feed down to the last duress station here. And as I've got my layouts plotted on this drawing, I also have a linear measurement up here on the top of just over 1,090 feet of 2-inch PVC with trenching. I've got my quantities. Now, with this drawing, I have a electronic drawing. As I said in the first video, I can either print this drawing, I can either email it to my customer prior to commencing any work to get approval on asphalt, where I'm going to actually tear up their asphalt if they're okay with it, and at the end of the job even produce an as-built drawing, and have never actually produced a hard copy drawing to begin with. So efficiency, not only in the operation cost, but the operation general efficiency in getting more work done in less time. That ends the short video on demonstrating inside plant and outside plant applications for SureCount.